Hello everybody, it is Prelude Boy 99 and today I'm going to teach you how to put white lettering on your tires to make your rims stand out or to make your tires pop. A friend at work kind of inspired me to do this because he actually had one on his EM1 Civic, and I honestly thought it was going to be pretty cool. So I decided to come out here and try it myself. So let's get into what you'll need. So here are the three things that you will need. You will need the tire marker. I bought a 2-pack. This cost around $20. Microfiber towels and acetone to pretty much clean the tire. So this is the tire marker that I'm going to be using. It is type S. You can pretty much get this at AutoZone for 20 bucks. It comes in a 2-pack. And the color that I chose is white. I think white is really going to pop with the black. The whole aesthetic that I'm going with the Prelude is black and silver. So black and white is actually a very good combo. There are different colors that you can use. There's blue, red. I don't know if there's green, but I know there's blue and red. And I think there's a silver, but there's different options out there. I'm going with white. So as you can see, my tires are actually pretty dirty. Now, before you start putting the ink pen on, you want to clean your tires. So that's what the acetone's for. So basically what you want to do is you want to pour some onto the microfiber towel. Just blot it. You don't want to get this stuff on your rims because it could damage the finish. You want to have this and you want to rub it right on the tire. And as you can see, since this stuff evaporates quickly, it's not going to have any moisture. And as you can see there, that is all the dirt that's been on my rim. So clean the tires first. So I just spent about a couple of minutes cleaning the tires, and as you can see, it looks a lot cleaner than before I started, I should say. You want to make sure you get the lettering very good and make sure there's no dirt and debris because again, these are ink pens. You want to make sure that the surface that you are going to be inking on is clean so that the ink itself can last. This will not damage your tires and it's not a harmful aesthetic. I think it's actually a cool aesthetic. Like I said, it really makes your tires pop. You don't want to highlight every single wording on this tire. What you mainly want to do is get the big lettering, like for example on my tire it is Enfura, and up here it is Nexen. You could highlight the tire size if you really wanted to. I'm not going to. I'm just gonna get Enfura, Nexen, and I think I might highlight this as well. So let's get right into it. All right, after shaking for a minute, this is what the pen is gonna look like. It's gonna look a bright white. And I'm gonna go over the Nexen area right here. Again, I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm sorry if the camera isn't as good, but here we go. I'm just gonna do light strokes of painting it. Again, if you do mess up, it's okay. You can get pretty much a rag and clean that up. This stuff is removable, I think. I hope it is. If it's not, we are in trouble. But it doesn't have to be perfect. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 3 coats on one word. So I'll be right back, and by the time I am, hopefully this is done. Peace out. All right, this is how it looks like with the pen ink, and my God, does it just pop. It just makes the rim look so much better. Unfortunately, sawdust did blow on my way because there was a little bit of wind and it blew into the white ink, so I'm not too happy about that. But this is my first tire, so it's not a big deal. I did mess up a lot, actually, as you can see. If you do mess up, you can always put acetone onto a microfiber towel and clean that white ink off. It's not gonna damage the tire. This actually looks great. I'm actually very proud of it. Only for today's video, I'm only gonna do 1 tire. I still have 3 other tires to go. But if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.